Hey everybody, Jeremy Wiechek from Nisswa Marine. We're inside the showroom today where we're going to just do a quick overview on how to operate the new power tower arch from Premier Pontoon. So let's get after it and we'll show you how to put this down. Alright, first we're going to take off the safety bolts. Now these are just here as an extra precaution. There's one on each side. When you take these out, the tower arch will stay suspended, so it's not going to fall down on its own. Okay, once we have our safety knobs out, which is a nice easy process, we do have a button at the dash that we're going to go push down on our push button dash here. So if I just push the down button, this will slowly start bringing the arch down. Now the nice thing about this is it's not going to come rapidly fast. We can put it at any different level we want. So if we're going to have a bridge situation or a low canopy for our boat lift, we can put it down to any level. So for instance, if I want to put it down partial ways, which would be like right there, I can still drive, I can still see. Otherwise, if I want to go down further, I can bring it all the way down close and near to the windshield. So super easy, super convenient. It's a very quiet operation. Thanks for watching today on the operation of the Premier Power Arch. That does it for us. Quick and easy and simple. It's got the safety latches, the button on the dash. Super simple option that Premier has. It's optional on most all of our 25 footers and up. The Power Tower Arch from Premier Pontoons. Thanks for watching.